Matter, and this is my YouTube channel. So I am new here, as you know, and this is my first ever video that I'm recording. And don't be surprised when I look all over the place because I'm still shy. So today's video is about me unboxing my new ring lights from Selfie Lights. So I bought these lights on Instagram, so I followed them and I went to their website to shop online. So I bought it in June, on the 6th of June, but it came late because of this international, self-tracking. So let me unbox this video. Let me take my, the lights. Let me take my scissor.
On my mind, succeeding with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. 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 Save me from myself. I really need your help. I'm going under. Save me from myself. All I really ever wonder is if I'm really going under. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. 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 You know everything about me.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Oh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I wanna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe.
finally it's on. Like, I'm so excited. Okay, so yeah, so I bought this lights and ring lights essay. I'll link down their Instagram account below so you guys can buy it. It was quite affordable. I think they do have a 20% sale right now, yeah, for Women's Month or whatsoever. So you can go and buy it right now because I think they do have a sale, so the equipment is quite cheap now. So you guys, as you can see, it's on. So you guys, thank you for watching my video. I know it was a bit awkward because I'm still new here, I'm still shy. Like, as you can see, I'm looking all over the place. So I hope to see you more often, and I hope you guys can see me more often in this room. So I'm still a student. As you can see, this is my own room. I don't have a flat yet, I don't work yet, guys, so relax, that time is coming. Okay, so you guys, yeah, okay, this is the 12-inch one. Yeah, it's quite tall. I thought it would be shorter, but the tripod is quite tall. Like, I can still extend it, but I won't do that here. Thank you guys. Please comment down below and tell me how you react to this video, because I could see your reactions right now. I know you guys. You're being a bit harsh, I know, but it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, you're entitled to your own opinion, okay? So I hope to see you on my next video and more other videos, of course. Please share this video if you liked it, and tell your friends to subscribe and other people you know. Okay, and I like you guys. I love you. I like you. Have a good day.
Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they gave way.